Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been forever, but I am back and hopefully this time to stay. But anyway, I have an exciting video for you guys today. We're going to do a Shein unboxing. I ordered some things from Shein and one of it is a surprise. So stay tuned because it's amazing news. So keep on watching the video. Let's do the unboxing. White robe, and you guys, as we are heading on, continue guessing the surprise because these are the clues. The things that I'm showing you are the clues. This package from Shein was so special to me. But this white robe, I mean, look at the feather details on the hands. It is so cute. I have to wear it for you guys to see how it looks like. So this is the cover up. It's like those wear when you're preparing in the morning, doing your makeup, and it's also just a nice one to have for, you know, chilling at home. Yes, so that's it. I love it, and I love the hands. I love the hand details. It's such a nice one. I've always wanted to have nice shapewear and I got this one. I think it's amazing. It's really nice fabric, and of course gonna try it with an outfit to see how it wears on the body. And I love that it's open at the bottom, so it's easy to go to the toilet once you're wearing it. So this was a good buy. I will leave the link to every item in the description box just in case you want to get it from Shein, okay? I need to lay a wig properly, so I got this hair comb, hot comb, to just, you know, lay the wig and wear it nicely. And I also got these wig caps, so my wig game is about to be upgraded. And how cute is this? It's a headband bow thing. But by now, guys, have you guessed it? Your girl is getting married. That's the announcement. So the reason this package from Shein was so important to me is because I was crazy enough to order a gown online because it's just a civil wedding. We want to keep it simple, but I'm not that simple, so I had to get some items. I mean, guys, I'm so impressed. I love it. So you can clip it on the back of your hair, and it's so cute. My dress, guys, my wedding gown. I was wondering how it fit in that package, but somehow their packaging is amazing because everything fit in that small packaging. And here is the dress. Oh my goodness. My wedding dress. Like I'm getting married, guys. It's my wedding dress. Can't wait to try it, and it stretches, so that's perfect. And I'm gonna wear it with the shapewear so we can see how it looks on me. It was a nice dress according to the reviews. We just have to see how it looks like. I'm so excited to try it. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, guys, it's actually working. I just put on a wig so I look somehow presentable because the hat I was wearing was not just it. And I need to fix my hair, but anyway, let's focus, guys. It's actually a nice dress. The fabric is amazing. I am honestly so impressed. I've not put on the shapewear yet because I want you guys to see the difference, but the dress, oh my god, it even has like a trail. The thing is, I bought a smaller size, so I need help to zip it up. And the reason I bought a smaller size is it stretches, and I'm gonna wear shapewear. So I thought it makes sense to order like just the smaller size to what I wear. But yeah, so I can't show you the back because I've not zipped it up all the way up, but it feels amazing. it's just the perfect civil wedding dress if you ask me, because it's not that extra. And I mean, you can even wear this to a normal church wedding and you can hack it. Like, I am so impressed. So let me know in the comments what you think, but let me wear the shapewear and see the difference that it makes. And yeah, I'm so excited. So guys, I've worn the shapewear. Of course, it's not the best for this dress, so I'm actually gonna have to buy a different shapewear, but this one that I got is quite nice, just not the best for this kind of dress, because this dress is like figure hugging, so you can see the place where the corset joins and stuff. So, but that's good thing I had ordered a different shapewear, because a friend of mine told me this is gonna be a problem, and I immediately ordered another shapewear from Shein. The dress is amazing. It actually closed, as you can see. With the shapewear it closes, because I got a medium instead of a large, and because I thought with the shapewear a medium can fit, and it actually does. It's comfortable, the dress stretches, the fabric is amazing. I'm actually quite impressed, and as you can see, it has this nice short trail, so it's a simple dress for like a civil wedding, but at the same time it gives you, if you're extra like me, you still have a short trail, still beautiful. And as you can see, we have the veil on now. It's just like a small one, you know, but it's so nice. You just clip it onto the hair. Of course, I'll have different hair, but I just wanted to see how, if it works, and I like it. It's so easy to use. It's just so easy to clip it on the hair. But yeah, I'm gonna leave everything of these items in the description box, just in case you'd like to order them from Shein. But yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Let me know what you think of the dress and this. Would you wear this, or would you go for that bridal pin? I also ordered like a small bridal accessory for the hair, which might actually be better than this, but I'll show you guys when they come with the other shapewear that I ordered. But yeah, I am so excited. I can't believe this is happening. I really absolutely love this dress. It's winter, so I probably have to have a cover up, but I'll get that. But yeah, that's it. That's the big surprise on this video. So yeah, I will share with you guys like the process, hopefully a little bit on the wedding day. But yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. So subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notification so you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.